Have you ever wondered which countries in the world have no access to the ocean at all? Today on Terra and Time, we are exploring all the landlocked countries in the world. Let's begin this. So, what is landlocked country? A landlocked country is a country that doesn't have a coastline on an ocean or sea connected to the ocean. In simple terms, it is completely surrounded by land or inland water bodies and has no direct access to the open ocean. Let's start with Asia. Asia has 12 landlocked countries. These include Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Afghanistan, Mongolia, Nepal, Bhutan, and Laos. You might be wondering about Kazakhstan since it borders the Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is actually the largest enclosed inland body of water in the world and does not connect to the global ocean. Because of this, countries bordering it are still considered landlocked. Now let's move to Africa. There are 16 landlocked countries in Africa. These include Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger, Chad, Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Eswatini, and Lesotho. Many of these countries rely on neighboring coastal nations for trade routes and port access. Now let's move to Europe. These include Andorra, Austria, Belarus, Czech Republic or Czechia, Hungary, Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, North Macedonia, Moldova, San Marino, Serbia, Slovakia, Switzerland, and Vatican City. Despite being landlocked, several of these countries like Switzerland and Austria have very strong economies. In South America, there are only two landlocked countries, Bolivia and Paraguay. In North America, every country has access to the sea, either through the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or the Caribbean Sea. Finally, Australia, Oceania, because most countries in this region are islands, so there are no landlocked countries here either. So overall, the world has 44 landlocked countries spread across Asia, Africa, Europe, and South America. Now here's a challenge for you. Can you tell us in comments number of double landlocked countries, meaning they are surrounded by landlocked countries, and what are their names? Tell me your answer in comments below. And if you love geography and learning about our planet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again on Terra and Time, where we explore the world one map at a time. Thanks for watching.